Hello there, welcome to WealthyWays. Ready to take charge of your finances? Today, we're diving into the 5 strategies for effective budgeting that you should start applying now. Let's get started. Strategy number 1, track your spending. Understanding where your money goes is crucial. Start by tracking every dime for at least a month. You can use handy apps like Mint or YNAB, or even create your own Excel spreadsheet to track your spending. Knowing your spending habits is the first step towards effective budgeting. Strategy number 2, set realistic goals. Set clear and realistic financial goals. Be it paying down debt, saving for a vacation, or investing for retirement, having specific goals will give your budget a purpose. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable milestones to stay motivated and on track. Strategy number 3, prioritize your expenses. Prioritize your spending by distinguishing needs from wants. Cover essential expenses like housing, food, and healthcare first, then allocate money to savings and discretionary spending. Living within your means is the key to budgeting success. Strategy number 4, use the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting strategy. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to discretionary expenses, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This framework helps divide your income, ensuring regular savings and debt reduction. Strategy number 5, review and adjust regularly. Budgeting isn't a set and forget task. Review and adjust your budget regularly to reflect your current financial situation. A budget is a living document that helps you stay on track with your financial goals. Implement these 5 budgeting strategies now and kickstart your journey to financial freedom. Subscribe to WealthyWays for more financial tips and insights. Stay motivated and keep striving towards your financial goals. See you next time.